Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Aqua FX here again. So let me quickly take you guys through the trade I was about taking today and yesterday. What the market, the reason why I'm not taking the trade and my approach and what I'm expecting tomorrow. So let's get started. Please do like to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video like this, you will learn something from it. Your comments and everything are welcome. Let's get started. So what I do every day, I will go to my 30 minutes chart. Here is my 30-minute chart. I start my analysis from 30 minutes chart. So I'm on my 30 minutes chart right here. So on my 30 minutes chart, what I normally like to do, what I always do is for me to check the previous day highs and lows before I can do anything on the before I can do anything. I would like to check what happened yesterday and where the market is currently. So like yesterday, let's go through yesterday, what I saw yesterday. So yesterday, so first thing, I will plug in my section breaks by clicking twice on the chart. So while clicking on the chart, it will shows me event, then section breaks has been added to my chart, which is all these lines. So yesterday was 4th of September. So yesterday was around here. Here was yesterday. So when I woke up, what I did was I had to mark the previous day highs and lows. So this was the high that was given. Sorry guys, here was the previous day's highs. Here was the highs, and right here was the low. Here was the low. So yesterday being the 4th, here was the highs, and here was the low. So this was yesterday, but I'm talking about yesterday now. What I was doing yesterday, my approach to the market, what I was expecting to do in the market yesterday before the market started, before our London section opened. This is gold. I'm only trading gold. I'm an intraday trader as of now, so I'm only focusing on gold. So what I did yesterday was, since this here was my previous day's lows and here was my high, the only thing I was doing the the only space I had as in my working space was from here down here, which was, if you can see this section, this gives you 3rd of August, and this one happened to be the 4th. This happens to be the 4th. So what I was working on was from this low to this low. So my expectation was that once market comes inside this low, I will be expecting to take a trade if the market gives me the reason to take a trade. So when the market comes to this low, I was looking at taking a trade, but I didn't want to take a trade on my 30 minutes chart. Note, the 30 minutes chart shows me what to do in the height of my trading section, as in the height of my trading space. That is the only thing the 30 minutes is showing me. So I'm not taking any trades here. So from there I had to move down to my M15. So my M15 is where I'm looking for a zones in the market where I can possibly take a trade. No, this is gold. So you can trade on any time frame you want. You can trade on any time frame you want. The only thing is know what you are doing. So that is it, because gold is very, very volatile. So on my M15, chart, this is what I got on my M15 chart. So on this M15, on this, here is my M15. So on my M15, I was looking for a place, a zone where I can possibly take a trade from for my buy trade. So for that, once market come into this low, I wanted to take a trade, but the market didn't give me an entry criteria, though I had to move to my 5 minutes chart to really see if the market can possibly give me an entry criteria from the market. So that was what happened. I had to move to my I have to go to my sorry guys. So I have to move to my 5 minutes. Here's my 5 minutes. So here's my 5 minutes. On my 5 minutes chart, I'm on my 5 minute right now. So on my 5 minute chart yesterday, what I saw is that the market came into the low, previous day low, and then it breaks structures to the upside. After that happened, I was able to spot a liquidity here. I was able to spot this equals highs here, which happens to be a liquidity for me. So I marked the equals highs out as a danger zone. And me personally, I was since the market got down to this low and broke structure here, and I spot this liquidity up here, so I was like, oh, anyhow it is, the market will be, with the help of those liquidity that gathers above this area, the market will be able to give me something to work on. As in, if I take any trading, the liquidity up there will eventually help me to hit my target. But I've been waiting yesterday. I didn't have any entry yesterday. As you can see, the market comes out, rallies back up. It grabbed the liquidity and grabbed the Asia. I think this was, yeah, it grabs the grabbed Asia high liquidity, and it breaks previous weak structure to the upside, and it keeps rallies up. It breaks all the zones we had previous week, and the market keeps rallies up. So as of today, which is 25 of this which is 25 of September, today being 25 of September, as I woke up as well, I had to go to my 30 minutes chart to look what the market is doing. So I saw that the market was breaking structure to the upside, which simply telling me that, oh, today I had to take a buy trade. But what happened? That I didn't take a trade. What happened? So this is what happened. I'm on my 5 minute chart right now. I'm on my 5 minute chart right now. I'm on my 5 minutes right now. So I had to, this very zone happens to be where I'm supposed to target today. This happens to be where I'm supposed to target today. So what happened is, this is my 5 minute chart. Then I had to go to once, okay, on this 5 minute chart, I was able to squat my liquidity zone up here. This here was my liquidity, which if the market breaks above that very particular, if the market happens to breaks above, takes out all this trend line, took out all this trend line right here, the trend line will be very clear if you go to take 3 minutes or 1 minute. So I was expecting, if the market grabs all those trend line, I will be able to take a trade. So here on my 3 minutes after the market opened, so this is what I saw today. After everything, I saw that the market was able to break structure to the upside. Here we have liquidity, here we have a pattern here. Those who trade pattern, there was a pattern here. It built up and it built down. So what I saw is that the market was able to grab the downside, and it goes back to the upside and grab it, which means it grabbed liquidity, meaning a stop hunt, as in it takes out people's stop losses here, and it breaks structure to the upside. But what I did, I marked this zone. I was patiently waiting for the market to come back. Was it? Yeah, I was patiently waiting for the market to come back to this very one here. This zone here was what I was waiting for the market to come back, and which I screenshot it. I think I did that. I screenshot the buy. So my first TP was to be this very one, while the second one was to be this one. So I work with liquidity. So that was my target for today. But what happened is the market stopped at the imbalance here. You can see there is an imbalance here. For those who trade imbalance, this was a bread and butter for them. For those who trade imbalance, this was a bread and butter for them. So the market tapped into the imbalance there. If I zoom it out, you can see the imbalance very well and sweet. So there was an imbalance right there, which the market tapped in, and it varies back up. So my expectation was the market to give me at least 1 to 10 RR on this trade today, but the market didn't do that. So it stopped at imbalance and it pushes up aggressively to the upside. Since imbalance is not what I'm trading, I was just looking at it, looking at the market rallies up so aggressively. So that was what happened. And if you can see, the market was able to break all the previous highs, previous week's high. This is 1 day move from gold. Oh more, this is 1 day gold from 1 day move from gold. Just a move from gold. This is all these moves happen just in a day. So that is what happened today. Please guys, try to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm able to, maybe even at times before I take a trade, I'll be able to post my signal on this YouTube channel if possible. If I've been able to, if the market moves so rapidly, so at times taking time to do that really takes a lot of time. So from this zone up here was all today move. It broken all the structures, all the weak structures. So this week, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, maybe tomorrow we're expecting a sell back to most of these zones, or we continue buying. It just what the market is going to do. We don't know. The market can choose what to do. So tomorrow we have a zone here which the market can possibly trace back into before it goes back up, you know, before it goes back up. Till tomorrow comes, the market can do what it chooses to do too. So that is it for today. As I sign out, I remain Aqua FX. Please guys, turn on the notification bell, click the like button. I'm trying to document my series here. Whatever I do, both the ups and down, if I take a loss, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Everything has to be transparent, no hidden things here. Here is a forex join. So about the yesterday updates for the pay, which I was talking about, as in the zone I was pointing out yesterday, which was around which was around yeah, this was the zone. If you can check on that video on the, so the updates, here was the zone yesterday, and market really came into the zone and move away from the zone. And then guys, sorry about the voice on the background. And then it went to the high, previous day high right here, which after the market grab structure yesterday, it wasn't able to make it up to the high, but it fell, it fell along the way. So the market come into this zone and it varies today being 6th of September. So when I woke up today, what really happened is that the market, here was the previous day low, and this is the market print another low right here, which I'm expecting the market to come in, which I have scalp little thing. I was able to take a scalp. So that scalp happened on 5 minutes. Yeah, this was 5 minutes, and you can see on this 5 minutes we have liquidity gathers all here are liquidity, except right here, which we are able to have, and are able to have imbalance right here and right here. So in all these, but at least the market could possibly comes back to grab all these imbalances here. today. So for those who stays up to catch this move right here, congrats to you guys. But I really messed up everything because I was using a very huge lot size on this. So this is what the market did, and I'm expecting it to still fully go back. Grab all these liquidities, at least grab all these liquidities right here. So that is that for today, guys. Yeah, I was just doing nonsense without even looking at the screen. I don't even